Have you seen the EzyCooler Portable AC all over the internet claiming to cool your room in minutes while using very little electricity? It certainly sounds impressive, but after carefully researching the product, comparing its advertised features with how these types of devices actually work, and analyzing customer expectations, the results paint a more balanced picture than the marketing suggests. The EzyCooler is not a traditional air conditioner, because it doesn't use a compressor or refrigerant like a standard AC. Instead, it's essentially a compact evaporative air cooler that works best when placed close to you rather than across an entire room. In the right environment, especially in hot and dry conditions, it may provide a small stream of cooler, more comfortable air for personal use, but expecting it to replace a window or split air conditioner is unrealistic. If you're hoping to cool a bedroom, living room, or office, you're likely to be disappointed because the cooling range is quite limited. On the other hand, if your expectations are modest and you simply want a portable device for your desk or bedside table, it may offer some temporary relief. One important thing to keep in mind is that advertisements often use phrases like portable AC, which can lead buyers to believe they're getting the same performance as a real air conditioner, when that's simply not the case. Before purchasing, it's worth checking the specifications, return policy, warranty, and verified customer feedback instead of relying only on promotional videos or flashy claims. Overall, the EzyCooler isn't necessarily a scam, but it also isn't the powerful portable air conditioner that many advertisements make it appear to be. Whether it's worth buying depends entirely on your expectations. If you're looking for a small personal cooling device, it could be suitable, but if you expect it to cool an entire room like a real AC, you'll probably end up disappointed. Knowing exactly what this product can and cannot do is the key to deciding whether it's the right choice for your needs.